Today's top tip from Toasty Warm Gas and Plumbing. If your radiator's cold at the top but warm at the bottom, there's a good chance that air is trapped in your radiator. Here's what to do. Turn off the boiler. In certain systems, when we bleed the air out of the radiators, the pressure will drop. We deal with this in another top tip. You'll need a bleed key. Place it over the bleed screw and turn anti-clockwise half a turn. When water starts coming out, tighten the screw again. Use a rag or tissue to catch the water.